In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow a post on Reddit. Following a post is a simple way to keep track of conversations you're interested in without having to search for them every time you open the app or website. Maybe there's a discussion you want to come back to later, or you're waiting for more comments or updates. By following a post, you make sure it stays on your radar. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Reddit and make sure you're on the home page. On the app, you'll usually see a home icon at the bottom or top of the screen. On the website, you'll find home in the main navigation bar. The home page is where Reddit shows you a mix of popular posts and content from communities you're subscribed to. Once you're on the home page, scroll through the feed and select a post you want to follow. This could be anything that catches your attention: a question, a news update, a funny picture, or a discussion you want to keep an eye on. Tap or click on the post to open it fully, so you can see the title, the content, and the comments. Now that you have the post open, look for the three dots icon. This is usually located near the top of the post, often in the upper right corner of the post area. On mobile, it might be directly on the post itself. On desktop, it could appear when you move your mouse over the post. These three dots are your More Options menu. Go ahead and click or tap on those three dots. A small menu will pop up with several actions you can take on this post. In that list of options, look for the one labeled Follow Post. Sometimes it may be phrased slightly differently depending on your app version, but it will clearly mention following the post or getting updates. Click on Follow Post. Once you do this, Reddit will start tracking that post for you. Depending on your settings, you may see it appear in your followed content, or you might receive notifications when there are new comments or activity. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same three-dot menu on that post and unfollow it using the corresponding option. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to follow a post on Reddit so you can